What happens after pregnancy is the breast can be elongated, can be stretched out, the abdominal wall gets weaker, the skin of the stomach stretches out. So unfortunately, these are all side effects, so to speak, of having a child. And it's very devastating to some women who are very physically fit. They love their children, but when they look at their bodies, they want to get back to their pre-pregnancy appearance. It's got to be very individualized. It's not just, okay, for every woman who's had children, you need all these procedures done. It can be as simple as just a tummy tuck. It can be a breast lift with implants. It can be an implant alone. So there's a lot of different variables out there, and it really has to be individualized to the patient's own aesthetic goals and to their individual bodies in terms of what bothers them, how do they look, what factors have affected their overall appearance. And despite how discouraged they may be with how their stomach or their breasts look, it's important to wait till you're done having children, because not that they couldn't go through another pregnancy successfully and have a healthy child, but it almost defeats the purpose, because if you're going to have another child, then your skin will stretch out again, your breasts may change. So be done having your children, get the body back that you once had, that you feel better about yourself, their self-esteem is improved, and now they can go on living their life and be very happy.